Rubber plants Ficus elastica are popular indoor plants known for their attractive foliage and easy care nature. They offer several benefits and require specific care to thrive. Benefits of rubber plants. 1. Air purification. Rubber plants are effective at removing toxins such as formaldehyde from the air, improving indoor air quality. 2. Aesthetic appeal. Their glossy, large leaves add a touch of greenery and elegance to any indoor space, enhancing home or office decor. 3. Low maintenance. Rubber plants are relatively easy to care for, making them ideal for both novice and experienced plant owners. 4. Humidifier. They help to increase humidity levels in the home, which can be beneficial for respiratory health and skin. 5. Psychological benefits. Having plants like rubber plants in your environment can reduce stress and improve mood and productivity. Care tips for rubber plants. 1. Light. Preferred light. Rubber plants thrive in bright, indirect light. They can tolerate lower light conditions but may grow more slowly and develop smaller leaves. Avoid direct sunlight. Direct sunlight can scorch the leaves, so it's best to keep them near a window with filtered light or in a well-lit room. 2. Watering. Regular watering. Water the plant when the top inch of soil feels dry. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so ensure the pot has good drainage. Winter care. Reduce watering in the winter months when the plant's growth slows down. 3. Humidity. Moderate to high humidity. Rubber plants prefer moderate to high humidity. If the air is very dry, especially in winter, mist the leaves occasionally or use a humidifier. 4. Temperature. Optimal range. They prefer temperatures between 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit 15 to 24 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing them in drafty areas or near heating vents. 5. Soil. Well-draining soil. Use a well-draining potting mix. A mix designed for indoor plants or one containing peat, pine bark, and perlite works well. 6. Fertilizing. Regular feeding. Feed your rubber plant with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every 4 weeks during the growing season spring and summer. Reduce feeding in the fall and winter. 7. Pruning. Shape and size control. Prune the plant to maintain its shape and control its size. Remove any dead or yellowing leaves and trim back leggy growth. 8. Repotting. Every 2 to 3 years, repot your rubber plant every 2 to 3 years or when it outgrows its current pot. Choose a pot that is one size larger and ensure it has drainage holes. 9. Pest control. Regular checks. Check the plant regularly for common pests such as spider mites, aphids, and scale insects. Wipe the leaves with a damp cloth and use insecticidal soap if needed. 10. Propagation. Stem cuttings. Rubber plants can be propagated from stem cuttings. Take a cutting with a few leaves, let it dry out for a day, and then plant it in moist soil. Keep the cutting in a warm, humid environment until new growth appears. By following these care tips, you can ensure that your rubber plant remains healthy and vibrant, adding beauty and fresh air to your indoor space.